What's up, guys? So in today's video we're going to be having a look at Kadena and Bitcoin. We're going to be diving in both technical analysis. Last two videos I made on Kadena was not a TA analysis. It was just two regular videos on how many Kadenas you need to become a millionaire and how to mine and how much is it to mine Kadena, is it worth it, and so on. So Kadena up 1.7%, and we got Bitcoin right here. Where are you? Bitcoin probably hidden right here. Bitcoin is somewhere in here. Up a little bit under 1% right here, so 0.8%. Nothing too crazy. I mean, Bitcoin has been consolidating, and it's been kind of a slow, past 2-3 days for for crypto in general. And we know that when Bitcoin is in green, the rest of the altcoins will be in green, and this is why the rest of the altcoins are in green essentially. Let's have a look at Bitcoin TA, straight to the charts, and then after that we're gonna dive into Kadena. So we are in a massive symmetrical triangle that started on December 27th, 2021. So we've been here for a few months, guys. For a few months we've been in this triangle. Now the question is a breakout imminent? Are we gonna have a massive breakout soon? So I do have these two lines drawn out right here. I got the 53,000 level and the 28,000 level, and the reason why that is because a breakout usually says like that: wherever we break out, we usually come back and retest the nearest resistance or support, especially when we're a triangle. I don't think we're gonna go down as low as 23,000, so I put it at 28,000, and right here as well I don't think we're gonna go to 57. If we make a nice little run at the breakout, we're most likely gonna go to 53,000. So there's a $2,000 to $3,000 difference, but as you guys can see, it's approximately the same target. Okay, so it's pretty much even wherever you take your position, whether it's a long or a short. It's pretty much going to be even. It's going to depend on you, where you put your stop loss, if you put your breakout, if you want to trade the breakout or not. But we have a massive breakout brewing, or a massive breakout about to happen very soon. This candle is about to end. The weekly candle ends in 7 hours and 37 minutes. So it's going to be very big. Whatever happens here, we're either going to see a massive breakout to the upside or a massive breakdown to the downside. Now, if we have a look at the EMA ribbons real quick on the weekly time frame, we know that when we're below the weekly time frame, that's usually bearish. So we're most likely going to come down to 30K in my opinion. Of course, guys, none of this is financial advice. You have to trade the breakouts and make your decision on yourself. Another thing that I want to look at is we know that every time we're in a falling or a bear market, we usually exit the triangle on the downside. So it usually continues the pattern. Okay, so right now we're in a descending or in a bear market, whatever you want to call it, and it created this nice little triangle. So we're most likely going to continue to the downside. If the triangle was coming from the top, then we most likely would continue to the top. But so this is just a consolidation phase in my opinion, to continue more to the downside. Now I know a lot of people don't want to hear that. People they only want to hear bullish news. But guess what, guys? Bearish is good. You want the market to dump. You want the market to crash, and the reason why that is so you can buy cheaper. Guys, opportunities happen in bear markets, not in bull markets. Just letting you know. The more you accumulate right here, the better it will be for you, your friends, your family, and your future. So and that is financial advice, yes. So whatever happens, and if we do end up coming to 30K, just know that it's fantastic and it's very good. Let's have a look at Kadena. Now the thing with Kadena is whatever happens to Bitcoin, we're going to see a massive swing with Kadena. Now assuming Bitcoin, first of all, Kadena is most likely, we broke out of the descending triangle right here. Right now, Kadena is most likely going to come back and retest the 4.27 level. Does that mean you should sell? No, that does not mean you should sell Kadena just because we're going to most likely come back and retest this resistance. If Bitcoin goes to 30K, does that mean you should sell Kadena until it goes to 2.3, 2.4? No. I have these two levels right here. This one would be my first target to buy Kadena. Second target would be 2.24. If Bitcoin does end up going to 30K, we're most likely going to see a nice little wick to 2.25, $3. I'm most likely going to have a buy order at $3 for Kadena next month or something, just in case. But that's about it on the on the weekly time frame. On the bigger time frames right now, the bigger time frames matters the most. not so much the 4 hour and so on, because whatever happened in the shorter time frame, it doesn't really matter. As you guys can see on the shorter time frames, we are consolidating. Not much action is happening right here. We've been consolidating not ever since, but for about a week now. We've been just going sideways. Nothing too crazy to see over here. So, I mean, unless, you know, Kadena can essentially come back above this support or resistance right here, consolidate, then kick out of this triangle, that would be different, make a move to $8. Until then, we're most likely going to see a breakout to 4.3. I'm going to be accumulating some more KDAs. I'm very, very bullish on KDA. I love KDA, and that's about it. Of course, if you guys like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.